What's up, Maria?
Hi.
So we are here, right?
Yes.
At Cabrillo 2019 fall semester. Any words? Words of wisdom?
Words of wisdom. Show up to class.
Show up to class.
Seriously, show up to class.
Be on
practice
time.
outside of class. Be on time. Come in with a good attitude. It's gonna help you tons.
Yes. What's up, guys? We got Heather. Hello, welcome back. Hello, guys. Hi, Jessa. Is that Jordan? It's Jordan. This is the class. First day, get to meet each other. Here we go. Let me pop the music in. What's up? That's Josh. Who's this, Josh?
This is Olivia.
Olivia. All right. We do double time, double time, double time, and I'm doing double time. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, double time, simple. All right, here we go. We're doing some line exchanges with our double time. All right, y'all. Hey, man, I am done with the first day of class at Cabrillo at Aptos. I gotta say, I'm really excited just because it's the first day, man. It was great to meet everybody. You know, I still feel that the majority of the people who are taking the class for the very first time, you know, it's really hard to overcome that initial fear, you know, the initial shyness, the nervousness of the class, and just not knowing you know, about the pace of the class, and not knowing, and also feeling that that you might suck, or that you don't, you know, you might look bad in front of people. And man, I just gotta tell you guys, man, if you're ever thinking about taking a class, a hip-hop class, or any kind of dance class for the very first time, or any class that you've never taken before, the beginning level, you gotta get over that fear. It's just like the very first time, you know, jumping off a high dive or a diving board. That internal dialogue that you may have in your head of, hey, should I back out? You know, this is so. What if you know, I look dumb in front of people, or what if I really mess up and hurt myself or whatever? You got to get over it. You know, I mean, this is obviously not as life-threatening as, you know, jumping off a high dive, but again, the fear that you might look dumb in front of people, that's real. So my suggestion, all right, is, and this is what I do with my class, is meet everybody. You're less likely to feel so embarrassed and ashamed with your best friends. You know, the idea is, if you're really close with everybody, you know people are maybe just, if they're laughing, they're probably just laughing with you versus at you. So hopefully you guys understand it. So that's my tip, man. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm having a great day. I'm really excited because next class I have it's gonna be it's a Gavin class in Gilroy at Christopher High School. So hopefully I'll get a lot of the high school energy, the young energy, and hopefully we could really form something. My goal is to try to, because I am, you know, in the Gilroy community, I'd love to see if I can build something out there. So come on, all my Gilroy dancers, let's try to form something. All right, I'm out.